I'm Michelle Norris.
And I'm Forrest Aguar.
We specialize in photography and art direction for advertisement. Our creative studio is named Tropico Photo, and we've collaborated on exciting projects for many clients, including Google, the New York Times, MailChimp, and PopSockets.
We both love art, travel, modern architecture, and movies. Anything can inspire a concept, set design, or lighting technique for a new image.
We seek to create cheerful and optimistic scenes that transcend time and space. Our photographs bring new worlds to life and add a little magic to the daily routine.
We're always exploring new ideas and love every step of the creative process, from art direction to capturing and editing photographs.
Color is at the core of much of our work. It's a tool for conveying narratives and reinforcing the mood of the image.
Our goal is to serve our clients and create compositions that captivate our audience on social networks. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to craft surreal scenes and photograph them.
For the final project, you'll learn to art direct, build a set, photograph, and edit your colorful images to share them on social media. To get started, we'll talk about where to find inspiration for your project and to find a color palette. Then we'll show you how to flesh out your concepts visually and find props for your set design.
We'll also explain the equipment we'll be using, as well as lighting techniques that can work for you.
After that, you'll learn how to make beautiful sets with simple materials, pick a model, and choose clothing for them.
It will then be time to execute the shoot.
We'll teach you how to put together your set, direct your model, and take your pictures.
After that, we'll show you how to select, process, and retouch your images in Lightroom and Photoshop to make them as compelling as possible.
Finally, we'll show you how to create a plan to share your imagery on Instagram with the best online practices.
By the end of this course, you'll have a new approach to find your voice as an artist, share your work with the world, and reach your dream clients. To follow our steps, all you need is a camera or smartphone, a device with Lightroom and Photoshop, as well as Instagram or other social media platforms.
This course is ideal for anyone looking to make exciting and artful studio photography.
Translate your creative ideas to reality and make captivating artistic photos. And that's a wrap.